Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 12th of September, 2024, our system has identified Meta as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of approximately 9.68%. This equates to an average return of about 0.36% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, suggesting that further increases within this trend are likely. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 24.56% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 20.38% and 32.86%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a change of about 68.24% over the next year, with potential returns spanning from 49.47% to 76.78%. This would correspond to a price range between $861.63 and $1,019.08 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Meta reveals that the Meta stock price closed at $576.47 on Friday, having experienced a decline of 0.0797%. On the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, the Meta stock price decreased from $576.93 to $576.47, representing a drop of 0.0797%. Throughout the trading day, the stock saw fluctuations of 1.52%, ranging from a low of $575.25 to a high of $583.97. Notably, the price has declined in 6 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a total drop of 3.27% during this period. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally considered a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock price movements. On that day, trading volume dropped by 679,000 shares, bringing the total volume to 8 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $4.38 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $602.95, while the lowest stood at $279.40. Currently, the stock price is 4.39%, or $26.48, below the 52-week high of $602.95, which also marks the all-time peak for this stock. Meta Platforms has recently made headlines with a series of developments that could significantly influence its stock price both in the short and long term. This may enhance investor confidence and potentially lead to a positive response in the stock price. However, the company is also facing challenges, such as a lawsuit in Massachusetts alleging that Meta's features on Instagram are designed to addict young users. This ongoing legal battle could potentially harm Meta's reputation and financial standing if it results in considerable liabilities. Additionally, Meta continues to undergo large-scale layoffs as part of its year of efficiency strategy. While job cuts typically aim to streamline operations and reduce costs, they can instill concern among investors about the company's growth trajectory and employee morale, which might weigh on the stock in the short term. Moreover, Meta's proactive measures in combating online safety issues, such as its new campaign against sextortion, suggest that the company is taking public and regulatory concerns seriously, which may foster positive sentiments among users and investors alike. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned Meta a buy grade with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Deutsche Bank also rated Meta as outperform with a hold action. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, Wells Fargo rated Meta as sector perform with a hold recommendation. On that same day, Wedbush rated Meta as underperform with a hold action. Lastly, on Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave Meta a buy grade accompanied by a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. The price-to-earnings ratio has been rated as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have given the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a conflicting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this indicates a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to gain, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $582.95. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support from the long-term average at about $555.52. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will signal a sell. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, October 4th, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 3.27%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MCD. The trading volume has declined alongside the price during the last trading day, which diminishes the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 18 days ago. The short-term moving average issued a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 32 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 51 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 47 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. Meta finds support from accumulated volume at $561.35. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. Overall, the stock exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated $8.72 between its high and low, representing 1.52%. In the last week, the stock's average daily volatility has been 1.63%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in companies with long histories or stable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.17. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Meta is at $576.79. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $561.35. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from various analyst sources is neutral. Let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 15th of October, 2024, Newstead Jennifer conducted an insider sale of 905 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of October, 2024, Zuckerberg Mark conducted an insider sale of 84 shares of Class A common stock. On the 11th of October, 2024, Olive and Javier conducted an insider sale of 413 shares of Class A common stock. On the 8th of October, 2024, Ellie Susan J. conducted an insider sale of 22,988 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Lee Susan J. also conducted an insider purchase of 22,988 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 72.049. Overall, insiders purchased 22,988 shares and sold 149,717 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $549.99, representing a decrease of 4.59%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, which translates to a low-risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 10 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Meta stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of October, we expect Meta to open up $2.09 and start trading at $578.56. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not solely rely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.